Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to delete blockchain.com account. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the blockchain application. Now, when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile. But guys, if you do not have one, you can always go and register to the application. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. First of all, we have the account and the DFI wallet that you can go and change from one another. And in the bot, we have the home screen, we have the prices, and we have the earn option. Also in the top left corner, we have everything about your profile. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and delete your blockchain account. Well, this is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. First of all, what you need to do is go to the top left corner and click on your profile picture. Then here you'll have your profile, you will have your preferences, security, exchange link, and the link cards and the help center. Where we need to go and look for is actually not the logout option here, but is the security, where as you can see, the sixth and the last option is delete account. You just need to go and click on that delete account option. Here you can go and click on the red button, delete account, and then you need to go and type delete my account and click delete account, and your account will be successfully deleted. So guys, that is everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as this guys really helps us grow our channel. So guys, that will be everything as I said for this video. I hope that you found it informative, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.